ready for 2020? Or are you someone out there who's just confused and doesn't know what to do about 2020? Or are you out there doubting yourself and telling yourself that you're not going to write down your goals, you're not going to set your goals for 2020 because every time you get to set your goals, you never get to accomplish them? Are you that person? If you are, then I believe this video is for you. Welcome to my channel, guys. On today's video, I want to give you 5 tips, yes, 5 tips on how to set your 2020 goals. And tip number 1 is set clear goals. What I mean by this is, when you're setting your goals, make sure that you go into details. Like, let me give you a good example. When 2019 started, I wanted to lose weight. So I knew how many kgs I was and what I was planning to lose. Like how many kgs I was willing to lose during my workout. So that is a bit clear than just leaving it open like that. Like, oh, I want to live a healthy life. How are you going to do it? So make sure you make your goals clear when you're setting them. Tip number 2, yes, this is 2, is to put down your goals in writing. I believe there is power in writing, and the reason I'm telling you this is because I'm a living example. When I was in, I don't know which form, but I was back in high school, there's a book that I'd written, a couple of things that I wanted to accomplish. Guys, I think a year ago, I came across this book, a year or 2 years ago, I came across this book, and all the dreams that I had, I achieved them. Like, they all came to pass. And there are some that I wrote there that I didn't know how I was going to achieve, but somehow they came to pass. Apart from one dream of that book that I've never achieved. There's only one dream, and one day I'll get to share with you. So there is power in writing, guys. Just put it down on paper. And if you want me to go spiritual on this, I can go. Yes, when you check Habakkuk 2:2, you can see it's all about writing, putting it down on paper. It's like you're committing it to God, and you're making an oath with yourself. So guys, put your goals down in writing. Cool. Tip number 3 is break down your goals. Like, you can put them in different groups. For example, financial goals, health and fitness goals, something like maybe relationship goals, something like maybe social goals. You get, like, you want to make more friends, you want to go through your you want to go through your list of friends and see who you're gonna let go, who you're gonna add in, something like that. And maybe also you can also put something like maybe your business goals. What do you want to achieve in your business? So make them, once you come up with that list, like you've broken them down like that, then you start going into details. On my business goals, I need to make 3 million because last year I made 2 million. So, or maybe, you know, just put those targets. For example, on my YouTube, I want to have, let's say, 5,000 subscribers by maybe end of the year, end of 2020. So just put them down like that and put now what are you gonna do to get to 5,000 subscribers, for example. In my case, what am I gonna do? So make sure you write it down like that and break it down like that, again, somewhere on paper. And with that, I think you'll be able to achieve whatever you set your mind to. Tip number 4 is set goals that motivate you, goals that are going to challenge you, goals that are going to inspire you. And this I've done practically, and everything that I'm saying I've done practically, and they work for me. So I believe it can also work for someone else if you're struggling with setting your goals for 2020. So yes, set goals that will motivate you, will challenge you, will inspire you. And this is like, when the year started, I really wanted to manage my own company. Yes, I knew it was gonna come with challenges. Yes, was I prepared for those challenges? Yes. So I've been motivated to wake up and work super hard, because my bigger picture is what I'm looking at. My bigger, what is my end goal in this? So goals that motivate you, that will make you get out of bed. If you want a nice body, yes, and every morning when you wake up you're thinking of snoozing your alarm, if you think of that nice body, you'll be like, I better get up and go to the gym and lift those weights. So guys, set things that are going to motivate you. Don't set those boring, I don't know, is there anyone with boring goals? I'm not sure, but don't set things that won't motivate you. And when I say set things that motivate you, they should also be achievable goals. When they're achievable, they'll definitely motivate you. And I believe there's no goal that is not achievable. Yes, there's nothing that is unachievable. Impossible is a myth. There's nothing that is unachievable. You can achieve anything that you set your mind to, guys. Yes. Then last tip, let me breathe kidogo. Last tip is accountability. Very, very important. Very important, guys. Like, this I can talk over and over and over, because it's something that happens to me every single day of my life. And what I mean by accountability is, get someone that you trust, someone that you can share with your goals, someone that will be there for you, someone that you'll help each other grow with. You understand? Someone that will buy into your vision, someone that will walk with you through your vision. my finance advisor. Sometimes I usually feel that she believes in me more than I believe in myself. And when you have someone like that, it's very important. When I have an idea and I want to share my idea, the first person I'll run to is my friend, you know, because they will help me build this idea. And every time I get to meet her, there's just something. Like when I leave that, like our meetings, I usually feel like I'm ready to conquer the world. And this happens with my friend Sarah as well. Like the other day I was really feeling low and she came home and we were just chatting, and of course now I work from my office is in the house, so I work from my house, so yeah, so we're just chatting and we're going through the work that I've done and some of the projects that I've been doing, because we haven't seen each other for a while, so we had to meet anyway. So just having chats with her and her looking at my job, she was like, oh my goodness, I'm so amazed on what you've been doing. And I still think that, like, I even got to show her other things, and she was like, I feel like maybe if you approach this in this angle, it will make you more money, because there are things that I'm able to do, but I'm not charging people, you understand? There are things that I'm actually offering, but I don't get to charge. So she was able to see, like, make me think differently, and just, you know, like, you need such people. You need people that can help you grow. You need people that are going to walk with you throughout your journey and just make sure that, you know, whatever goal that you set you're able to accomplish. So if you're watching this video and you feel like you need someone to talk to, but I don't mind, guys, if you DM me, just DM me if you need to. So before I get out of context over here, let me just walk you through again those 5 tips of how to set your goals come 2020. Tip number 1 was set clear goals. Tip number 2 was put it down on paper. Tip number 3 is break down your goals. Tip number 4 is set goals that can challenge you, like motivate you and, you know, will inspire you. And then tip number 5, which is the last one, is accountability. That got me talking, because accountability means you have someone that you can trust, someone that you can share with. I know sometimes people get to sit and tell themselves that, oh, what if I tell someone and then they jinx my goal. I mean, get people that you trust, people that your circle, like people that you can talk to and share with and build each other. So I want to end this video here, but today I'm going to end it telling you this. Those who can't help you achieve your dreams are not supposed to be in your life. When you're going to 2020, think of that. And when you're setting those goals, think of that, because you need people who are going to appreciate you, people who are going to build you, people are going to just make you, you know, become a better person. And that's what we are here for, guys. That's what this channel is all about. We need to build each other, we need to motivate each other, and you need to be each other's keeper. That's it, guys. I believe there are people who usually set their goals during their birthdays, like I do mine during my birthdays. But if you're out there and you have not set your goals for 2020 yet, it's not too late. You can do it. If there's any tip that you have that you feel can help someone when they're setting their 2020 goals, kindly comment below. Thank you so much for those who subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please I beg you, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be getting more of this. By the way, guys, I'll be doing a lot more of these videos until the year ends. So I'll be posting 3 videos a week. I think I've started already, so I'm posting 3 videos a week, and that's what I'll be doing this December. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope these tips are gonna help you. If you like it, thumbs up, and until next time, kisses.